on the WebTrader platform. Okay, in order to subscribe and unsubscribe to symbols, it's a little bit different, but ultimately pretty much the exact same method. So you have everything that you're subscribed to right here, and it's done through watch lists. So this is just a default list. Now at any time, you can go ahead and just remove things from the list. Say we don't want the euro pound, boom, it's gone, okay? Or you can just create a whole new list. All right, so we're just going to create a new watch list. We're going to call this whatever you like, my watch list. Create. And say I only trade the pound US dollar. So I'm just going to go, as you can see, there is no instruments in the watch list at this current time. So we're going to go ahead and click search symbols. And I can either find every symbol available here, or I can just do it by actually typing in the symbol name. Okay, so say pound US dollar is something I always trade. So there's pound US dollar. I'm just going to click add. And then I also want to trade, let's say I want to trade gold, XAU, US dollar, right here, add. And let's say I want to trade the USD JPY. Done. Okay, so now all I gotta do is go back to my watch list, and as you can see, I now have the pound US dollar, USD, US dollar Japanese yen, and gold. Okay, they're in my watch list, and that's pretty much it.